In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check who read your email in Gmail. If you've ever sent an important message and wondered whether it was opened, here's the clear answer. In a normal personal Gmail account, the kind that ends with gmail.com, there's no built-in way to see a seen or read status. Gmail doesn't provide the little read receipts you might be used to from chat apps. You can confirm that your message was sent, but you won't see when someone opens it, and there's no setting you can turn on to change that in a personal account. There is one important exception for work and school users on Google Workspace. Some organizations enable Gmail read receipts for their managed accounts. If that applies to you, and if your administrator has turned it on, you can request a read receipt from your computer before you send an email. This feature is not designed for personal gmail.com addresses, and it may be disabled by your organization. So don't worry if you don't see the option. Here's exactly how it works on a Google Workspace account. On a computer, open Gmail and start composing a new email. Before you hit send, click the three-dot More Options button in the lower right of the Compose window. In that menu, choose Request Read Receipt. Then send your message as you normally would. What happens next depends on the recipient and their organization's settings. If the feature is allowed on their side, they may be prompted to approve sending you a receipt. If they agree, you'll receive a notification confirming that your email was opened. In some cases, admins configure automatic receipts. In others, recipients can decline, and you won't get one. That's why even with read receipts, confirmation isn't guaranteed. A few limitations are worth keeping in mind, so your expectations are realistic. This only works if your Google Workspace administrator has enabled read receipts for your account. Recipients can deny the request, or their organization can block it entirely. And again, the option isn't available for regular personal Gmail accounts. If you're using a work or school account and don't see Request Read Receipt in the menu, it likely means the feature is turned off by your admin, or you're trying from a mobile app instead of a computer. To recap, personal Gmail doesn't show who read your email. On eligible work or school accounts, open Gmail on a computer, compose your message, select Request Read Receipt from the three-dot menu, and send. Keep in mind it's subject to approval and admin settings.